Hi everyone, this is for integrated students in Year 7 who are either sourcing images from the internet. If you do, make sure they're high resolution images. And it's also for students that have already taken their photographs posing for their digital storybook. So it's showing you how to cut out the images from the background and how to place them all together. So the first thing that you do is create new in Photoshop. So you open up Photoshop, select create new, and then that will take you to a page. Now you're going to make it A3 size. So A3 is 420 millimeters wide by 297 millimeters high. So we're going to do the landscape option because that will fit the page better for your digital storybook. You can, for this, because it is a digital storybook, make it RGB color rather than if it was going to print, it would be CMYK. So we'll hit create. Okay, now I've already sourced a couple of images off the internet. So to import them into Photoshop, File, and what I'm actually going to do is I'm just going to File and Open. So I'm going to select my images into a different page. So I've opened up a background image that I've sourced, and I've opened up another image that I've sourced. Okay, so I'm going to first go to the background. So that's opened up in a different file. So Control A on a PC, or I think it's Alt A on a Mac, will copy or select the image. So Control A to select the image, and then Control C to copy it. And then we're going to put it into our new page, Control V. As you can see, it's gone in way too small. So what we need to do is edit up the top and go down to transform and scale. So you see you get all these nodes here. Now, traditionally you had to hold down the shift key when you were scaling up or down so it didn't distort the image, but with the new Photoshop you don't. So you're just dragging up and down to the corners of the page. So you want to fill the page that you've got with the background image. So it may be that some of the image crops off the edge, but that's fine because I have enough image to play with there. Now you can see it's bitmapped. That's just so it's saving your computer memory. I'm doing Control minus to zoom out. Or if I wanted to zoom in, I can do Control plus. Okay, so I'm just centering that, as you can see. And when I hit enter, it will show me what it actually looks like. So now I can move it around with the selection tool in the tool palette, which is up here. So can move it into place, make sure I'm happy with that. And then I'm going to get my next image, Control A, Control C, and then Control V to paste into the right image. Then edit and transform and scale again. So I'm going to scale him up. You've got to think about the placement and everything. So my background, nothing needs to change to that. But this picture down here, I'm going to start cutting around that. So what you need to do is you need to make sure you have your layers palette open, which is on the right-hand side down here. If it's not, go up to Window and down to Layers. It's ticked because it's showing that that is open for me. So here it is here. So if I want to turn that off at any time, I just click on the eye in the Layers palette so I can see the background. If I want to turn the background off, I can do that. And this is just a white background. So that's where we're at for now.